Hey everyone, it's Sarah, a Customer Success Manager here at Juice Technologies, and in this video we are going to quickly go over dashboard customization and building. For those of you who may not know, Quickbase dashboards are a powerful tool that provide a comprehensive view of all your data in one place. Dashboards allow you to visualize and analyze your information in real time, helping you make more informed decisions. Now, what you are seeing here is a customized dashboard that serves as a clients and quoting page. And in this video, we are going to be replicating the clients tab, showcasing all the functionality of these features. One thing that I want to first point out is the variety of ways to show your data. You can see we have itemized reports listing important information, as well as graphs visualizing the data. From pie charts to maps to line graphs, which we'll see further on, dashboards are a great way to get quick insights into your data. You can also include helpful tools such as search buttons like we have up here and action buttons, which allow you to quickly create new records or other tasks that you may want quickly on hand. Heading over to the quotes tab, you can see other features as well, like widgets, which allow you to include a link of your choice to display on the dashboard, and various buttons with a range of functionality. These are just some of the features capable within dashboard customization. Now, to start off building a new dashboard, we are going to first head into the settings. You are going to find the user interface, find pages, and select new page. And in this case, we are going to be doing dashboards. You can go ahead and hit create down here. Perfect. The first thing that I want to do is go ahead and rename this tab. Go ahead and click right here, and we are going to name this client and quoting. Go ahead and click out of that. And then the first thing that we are going to want to do is make sure that our widget is unlocked. You can see it up here in the right hand corner. That is going to allow us to be editing this without messing anything up or running into some issues. And then you're going to come right over here and you're going to select add widget. Now the first one that we are going to be doing is the search bar widget. We're going to do this to be able to search clients based on what we want to be coming up. So the first thing I'm going to do is head into the table and I'm going to select from the clients table. I'm going to come down here for the search type. In this case, I'm going to allow the user to choose. And then I want the results to show up in a pop-up window. So we're going to select that and I want the title to show. And we are going to say search client. You can see you also have some features in here like selecting a color. You can switch, do whatever color you want. In this case, we're going to stick with this. All right, and then once you are done, you're going to come down to the bottom and select add to dashboard. All right, now before I start kind of customizing how I want it to look, I'm going to quickly go back into add widget. And we are going to go into button widget, and this is going to create an action. So I want this to create a new record. We are going to be creating a new client record. You can go into type of record. Again, we are staying in the clients. And then we can come down here and you can see after saving the new record, I want it to return to this page. So it's going to take us to another page. We're going to be able to create that record, fill in all the information, and then be returned back to this dashboard. Again, you see some functionality. We can change the color. You can add an icon if you want. You can add a little person. And then you can also change the alignment if you want that. All right. We are going to come up to button text. And we are going to change the displayed text to add client. Go ahead and select add to dashboard. And this is where some of the fun comes in. Now we can start customizing how we want our dashboard to look. So again, we are replicating the clients tab of the other one. So I'm gonna as closely match that as possible. And you can see that this is where we're starting to kind of have some fun with it. So I want these to be displayed at the top and perfect. The next thing that we are going to add is the report. You're going to come up to add widget report and we are going to do again clients table. And this time I want to do an itemized report listing all of my clients. Pops up right here. You got a nice little visual and we are going to add it right to the dashboard. We can drag it on over, make it bigger, get more visibility with it. You could even drag it down if you want a little bit. Oops. Drag it down a little bit. You know, everything is pretty much up to you, how you want it to look. The next thing that we are going to do is we are going to add in a pie chart. So I'm going to go add widget. Again, we're going to do report. And this time we are going to, you can see right here, by client address country, and it already tells you pie chart. Go ahead and add that to your dashboard. Perfect, and you can already see it down here. Now I want this to extend a little bit down, so I'm gonna go ahead and extend that, and now you see we have the scroll functionality within it. The last thing that we are going to add to our dashboard is a map. So again, sticking with the clients table, and we are gonna go to map of client addresses. Go ahead and add that to the dashboard, and I'm just gonna go ahead and as closely match it to the size as possible. And I want to get a little bit more room down here, so I'm just gonna scroll with that. Perfect, and we'll set this one up to match there. All right, and we are about done. So now you can see that we have everything on here that we had listed on the original clients tab. If you want to go ahead and kind of see how your widgets are going to be interacting with each other, you can go ahead, head up to the right, top right corner. You're going to lock the dashboard. Now this is going to allow you to kind of start experiencing what you've been putting in. So first we'll take a look at the add client. So when I click this button, I'm going to be brought into a pop-up window. And this is going to allow me to add a new client. So we are going to add Sarah Juice Tech. You can go ahead and save this. And you can see that we were brought back to the original dashboard. One other thing that I want to pop out, show is that Sarah Juice Tech is now showing up on the clients table. Another cool feature that we added in is you can search my name and it will pop up. So we added one already, so that's why you're seeing two. But you can see it'll pop right up with your records. The other thing is the pie chart over here, and you know, you can hover over it, get a little bit more insight into it if you want, as well as heading over to the map. You can zoom out and you can zoom in a little bit. And again, get some extra insights just by hovering over everything. You can see now that we have a fully functional dashboard, which is really going to help with our workflow throughout the day. Remember that using the steps shown in this video, you can easily create a customized dashboard like this. If you have found this video helpful, go ahead and shoot us a like so we know to continue this type of content. And if you want to stay up to date with new videos, go ahead and hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.